What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome to another video. Guys, listen up. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to the strategy, if you're new to the strat, you're struggling with trading, struggling with the strat, this channel is going to change the way that you trade in the stock market. We're going to help you guys out. We're going to make you consistent. We're going to make you profitable. But the first thing I need you to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit that bell. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay? If you are on Twitter, I am also there. You can find me at Mr. Clark Griswold. So if you have questions, comments, you can DM me there. You can tweet at me. I send out tweets throughout the day. I also do the same thing in my Discord. So you can go down in the link in the description below. There's a link there for the Discord. You can go in there. You can talk all day about trades, what setups there are, what setups you're taking, profit, loss, all kinds of other things. And then everything that I offer you guys that's free or fee-based can be found in that Discord, okay? So everything you need is in there. So I send out videos like this for you guys every day for free. I've got 300 plus videos available on this channel for you guys to learn how to trade the strat, how to learn to trade profitably, how to learn to trade consistently. And that's why I have this stuff here for you guys. And I just want to see you guys be successful and see you guys be green. There are a couple things I want to talk about before we get started. Number one, the screen that you see on your screen is TradingView, okay? So TradingView is a charting platform. I use that to chart all my trades. If you guys have never used TradingView, you're looking for something like this to chart your trades, well then you can go down in the description below. There's a link there for TradingView. That link will give you a free 30-day trial to their subscription-based services, free for 30 days. And then if you decide to use it, you'll get up to $30 off of the subscription of your choice, okay? Up to $30. So go check that out if you've never used TradingView before and you're looking for something to use or a new platform, you can get it there. The second thing I want to talk about, guys, is are the ads. So I know the ads suck. Nobody likes watching them. Those ads are put there by the advertisers, and it pays to keep this stuff free for you guys. It pays to keep the videos free for you guys. So the one thing I ask in return for me putting in the work to put out these videos for you guys is to let those ads roll through. Go get a drink, go get a snack, come back, and let those ads roll through. And then as we go through this video, we're going to talk about some other things, the indicator, etc., etc. But like I said, let those ads roll through, keep the money in your pockets, let the advertisers pay for your education. All right, friends, let's get started on this Lotto Friday watch list for September 2nd. So in the video from yesterday, or for the trades on September 1st, I basically said because of where we closed on the day and we had all those shooter candles that we were likely going to gap. And sure enough, that's exactly what we did. We gapped down, and then what ended up happening is we started trending back up and filling those gaps. Okay, so what that left us with on the majority of the stocks, where everything that we looked at on the month was 2 down. We were looking for a 2 down, and everything on the day from Thursday was a shooter candle or an inverse hammer candle. So we have the exact opposite, and now we're looking at hammer candles. I should have said inverse hammers. Shooter candles are inverse hammers. And now what we're left with is all of these hammer candles, because we opened up, we trended down, and then we reversed right back up, and we're left with these big bodies with these long wicks. So the majority of the trades that I have on here are like that. And we're gonna rip through these really quick, because you guys can realistically pick anything that you want, and for the most part they've got these hammers on them, okay? These Thor hammers, these candles with the big bodies at the top and the wicks at the bottom. So the first one we can look at is SPY, and you can take calls on this at 396.81. We've got great time frame everywhere except for the week. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. So a lot of this stuff we're looking to trend up. I don't know if that's going to happen. And if it does, I feel like we're going to gap, and then it's just we're going to have a down day. Like I feel like we're going to have a red day. And I could be completely wrong, but I feel like that's a very high probability that we gap up in the morning and then we trend right back down. So stay tuned to the very end because we're going to talk about a little bit more about these plays and how I think Friday is going to play out. So let's go through these plays here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with them, okay? You guys can mark them down on your list, and you guys can mark out the triggers. You can pause it if you need to, but like I said, they're all basically the same. If we go to QQQ, and again, I have SPY and QQQ at the top because they're two really easy things to play. They're super liquid, and that's why I've got them there. So that's realistically what I would be watching tomorrow. Now, we'll see how my trading day goes. I don't know how involved I will be tomorrow. But again, you can see we have this hammer candle play here. So calls at 299.73. Nothing saying that this doesn't open somewhere in the middle. I could be completely wrong and this doesn't gap up. We open inside and then we just trend down for the day. That's also a very real possibility as well. Okay, so that's QQQ. BAC is another one. And even if I just go through all these, BAC, there's that hammer candle I was talking about. Green or red, it doesn't matter. Okay, here's another one off of Ford Motor Company, hammer candle. Disney, hammer candle. Etsy, it's an ugly hammer, but we can call it, Cyberdog would call that a real ugly hammer. So we can call that a hammer. But again, the time frame continuity is all pointing to the upside. So again, this stuff really could run on Friday, but we'll see how it plays out. So EW is up next. EW's got a hammer candle. Uber. We'll call that a hammer? Sure, call it a hammer. Okay, Uber's the same thing. I didn't even move this trigger here. But they're all the same. Realistically, guys, you could pick most anything that you normally play, and it's going to look very, very similar to what I'm showing you here. Okay, another hammer candle on Airbnb. Google, not quite a hammer candle, but we're two down that finish green. So this can realistically go right there as our trigger. Okay, Microsoft, hammer candle. MU, outside bar. That one's actually going to come off of there. Excuse me. Netflix has this. This is not a hammer candle, but it's a two down that finish green. And we can put our triggers there. We can mark out targets together here. Okay, and the time frame continuity is pointing to the upside. Plug Power is another one. Okay, Plug Power. This one's red, but we're still showing a hammer candle. Okay, so when we look at this, we can trigger here. We can take that off. And we just move our targets to there. Okay, so again, hammer candle. Starbucks. Not quite a hammer. Actually, I'm going to take Starbucks off because of that outside bar. American Airlines, hammer candle. Apple, hammer candle. Citibank, not quite a hammer candle, but you can see what we've got here. Now this one has full time frame continuity to the downside. This one also has tagged the bottom of a broadening formation. Okay, lower lows across. This one was drawn, I don't know where that one was drawn from. Must be on a different time frame. There. It was drawn somewhere here. There we go. Lower low, or sorry, higher high to a higher high. Okay, and that one just continued through, and now we've broken through and we've broken down to this low. And nothing saying that this can't come back through, but again, it's Friday's going to be, I think, a lot of people are going to have a lot of plays that may not work out for them on Friday, I think. So that's why I don't know how involved I'm going to be in this. Okay, so CCL, hammer candle. Okay, DIA, not a hammer candle, but it's a two down that's green. That was DIA. We'll go to DraftKings, hammer candle. KDP, hammer candle. Lucid, hammer candle. Lyft, where is it? Lyft, hammer candle. Roku, hammer candle. Do you see how this stuff is playing out, guys? It's all the same. So I'm not going to go through anymore. I'm not going to give you guys a top five. You guys, they're basically all the same. I think we're going to see the same thing across the market tomorrow. And if you stuck with me here and you're still here, give me a second. But make sure you're following me on Twitter and subscribe down below. Click that bell. and make sure to join that Discord. But what I was going to say to all of you guys is tomorrow's Friday, September 2nd, okay? So we are coming into a long weekend. There's no trading on Monday. I would only expect to have trading in the morning, okay? Coming into the long weekend, I think volume is going to kind of take a back seat, and it's going to slow down around lunch hour, and I think guys are going to start taking off if they're not gone already. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons I'm probably not going to be too active tomorrow. I feel like there's going to be gaps, and I don't think that the volume is going to be there for a lot of the plays. I think it's very well could be a slow moving day, but we'll see what happens, guys. Those are your plays. You can take a look at what you want. If you're looking for something to play with high liquidity, it's SPY, it's QQQ, it's DIA, Google, Microsoft. I think Plug has fairly good spreads between the bid and the ask and low premiums. Apple's another one. Okay, Lucid is up there. Tesla would be another one. We didn't go over Tesla, but Tesla's got the same thing. It's got this, where are we? Hammer candle right here. So that's what I would be looking at for you guys on Lotto Friday. Excuse me. So that's it, guys. Good luck trading Lotto Friday. If you're trading, make sure you are just being safe and preserving your capital. Okay? And until I talk to you guys again on the weekend with some weekly swings and some more daily videos for Tuesday, I wish you guys green. I wish you guys good luck. And I wish you guys a really, really great long weekend and Labor Day. And we will see you guys all on the next one. Bye-bye.